In this video, we are going to see first voice recorder and live streaming. We all know voice recorder and live streaming after technology comes into picture, but it happened in Mahabharata period. Let's see that. Vishnu Sahasranamam, a part on the battlefield of Kurukshetra from the great epic Mahabharata. Yudhishthira, elder son of Pandavas, approached Lord Krishna when he himself was confused about biggest dharma to follow in life. Lord Krishna did not answer him as he already did to Arjuna in the form of Bhagavad Gita. Instead, Lord Krishna took him to Bhishmacharya to clarify his doubts. Bhishmacharya, great grandfather of Kauravas and Pandavas, was lying on arrow bed awaiting for his death. Yudhishthira asked 6 questions of dharma and karma to Bhishmacharya. The 6 questions were: who is the greatest lord in the world? Who is the one refugee for all? By glorifying whom one can reach auspiciousness. Fourth question is: by worshipping whom one can attain peace and prosperity. What is the greatest dharma? By doing which japa or recitation one can go beyond bonds of samsara, which is cycle of birth and death. Lord Krishna, sage Vedavyasa, and all Pandavas were present during this conversation. Bhishmacharya answered all questions with answer as Lord Vishnu. He said one must surrender to Lord Vishnu. He started praising Lord with his 1,000 names. This part of Mahabharata is called Vishnu Sahasranamam. Everyone was looking at him and hearing all names when Bhishmacharya was glorifying Lord. After he finishes, all open their eyes wide open. Yudhishthira realized and told, we were listening, but none noted down the sequence of Lord names. Then all turned to Lord Krishna to seek his help. He said that he was also listening like others. What can we do now? Everybody beseeched Krishna to help them recover precious rendition. Lord Krishna told that it can be possible with the help of Sahadeva, one of the Pandavas. Everyone asked how it is possible by Sahadeva. Lord Krishna told that Sakadeva is the only one wearing Suddha Spadikam. If he meditates to Lord Shiva and he can convert Spadika to sound waves. After that, sage Vedavyasa can note it down. Immediately, Sakadeva started Dhyanam to Lord Shiva and Spadika was converted to sound waves of all names of Lord. The nature of Spadika is to capture the sound waves in calm environment which can be played by proper dhyanam to Lord Shiva. Pure Spadika with the divine of Lord Shiva is our voice recorder or player during the Mahabharata period. From this Spadika recording, divine Vishnu Sahasranamam came to world through sage Vedavyasa. Next, we will see the first live streaming. That also happened in the Mahabharata period. Mahabharata war happened between Pandavas and Kauravas. Dhritarashtra was a blind king and he was the father of Kauravas. Sanjaya was Dhritarashtra's advisor and also his charioteer. Sanjaya was a disciple of sage Vedavyasa and was immensely devoted to his master, King Dhritarashtra. As Dhritarashtra was blind, he cannot fight in the Mahabharata war. Sanjaya got a Divya Drishti from sage Vedavyasa. It means seeing events at a distance. This helps him to narrate about the battle of Kurukshetra to his blind king. This battle of Kurukshetra also includes Bhagavad Gita. While Sanjaya was still in the palace of Hastinapura, he could see all events of Mahabharata war as if he was on the battlefield. Sanjaya was very genuine in his narration to his king. This Divya Drishti given to Sanjaya was the first live streaming. Actually, we recently got this facility of live streaming due to technology development. All are possible with Lord's power. Significance and slogan parts of Vishnu Sahasranamam, facts of Bhagavad Gita are given in the description box. Sarvam Krishnarpanamastu.